be showing you how to make pixel art in Scratch. So there are three easy ways to make an ordinary sprite into a pixel sprite. So let's get started. So method one is to use one code block. So first we're gonna hover over to choose a sprite and click on it. Then we're gonna scroll down and choose any sprite we like. And I will choose the hedgehog. Good. Okay, now we're gonna go to the looks category and get this set color effect too. And then we're gonna, instead of color, we're gonna click on it and you'll see many other options. And in all those options, we're gonna choose pixelate. Now when we click on it, nothing happens. It's because it's 0%, so nothing happens. So we're gonna change this to maybe something bigger like 60, and then we're gonna check it out. So now you see this hedgehog is pixelated, way too pixelated. So we're gonna lower the lower the volume, like lower the number, and you can see the hedgehog is less more pixelated. We can also do this to any background we like. So I'm gonna hover to choose a backdrop, click on it, and we can choose a backdrop we like. So I will scroll down and choose this background forest. And you can see backdrop is also pixelated because of this very same code. So that is method one. Method two is to change a sprite's appearance with bitmap. So we're gonna hover towards choose a sprite, click on it, and we are gonna choose a sprite. And I will choose an apple. So here's an apple, and without interfering with the blocks, we're gonna go to costumes, and if you see this button called convert to bitmap, click on it. So right now we are in vector mode. So let me tell you the difference between vector and bitmap. So vector is just good for making sheets, dragging them around, and bitmap is good for drawing directly on the canvas. So we are gonna convert to bitmap. Now we are gonna click on select, and we are gonna select this apple image, the whole, and we are gonna make it tiny all the way. Now we are gonna select away, and we are gonna again select the apple and make it big. So you can see the apple got pixelated. It's not perfect, but it's okay. So that's method two. Method three is to draw from a blank canvas. So again, we're gonna hover towards choose a sprite, but this time we are gonna click on paint. And then we are going to convert to bitmap again. Let's click on this. We're gonna go really, really tiny. Zoom in as much as you can. And that should be enough. Now we are gonna click on brush and we can paint whatever we like. So I will click on yes, and I will choose yellow color because I want to draw a sun. See, yellow, okay, good. And let's draw. So I will make a sun. Trying to draw sun perfectly, okay. And if you also want to erase, you can choose the erase, okay? And it makes sure that the thickness is 1. So I will erase this one and I will redraw the circle. You can draw anything you like. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can draw anything you like and it'll become pixelated. And you can also see for yourself it's already pixelated. And I will go to fill and I will make the saturation a bit lighter. That should be enough. And I'll fill in this. Okay, now this sun is really, really tiny and we barely can even see it. But we can solve that problem by setting the size to over its limit. We can do that because the sun is really tiny. So let's say 800. And you can see, yes, it's perfect. You can put the sun right in the corner where it belongs. So this is 3 easy ways of how to make pixel art with ordinary sprites. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you all in the next video. Bye.